Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best white pegboards is probably one of the most versatile organizational tools you can have in your home or office. These boards offer a clean, modern aesthetic while providing endless possibilities for storage and display. Whether you're looking to tidy up your craft room, create a stylish workspace, or simply add some extra storage to any room, white pegboards are a fantastic solution. Number 5. Pegboard Combination Kit, White, 33x22. This pegboard kit is perfect for any room, from your garage to your kitchen. It's adaptable to most accessories, making it easy to organize your space. It's a great way to keep things tidy. The pegboard's groove design ensures accessories stay in place. You can choose the right accessories to hang on the pegboard. This design provides a stable and secure storage solution. Easily hang and store small items with hooks and parts boxes. It's perfect for tools, keys, office supplies, and more. It helps you find what you need at a glance. Install this organizer in minutes, and it's even stronger than traditional pegboards. It can hold up to 11 pounds or more. You can choose nail-free installation or use nails for a secure fit. The cup holder and hooks allow you to store small items. You'll always know where they are and keep your space clean. This makes it easy to find what you need. Our mission is to offer the best products and service. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. We'll provide a satisfactory solution for you. What we like. This pegboard is incredibly easy to install, making it perfect for a quick setup in any room. It's adaptable to various accessories, allowing you to organize tools, crafts, or office supplies. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to declutter your space and keep everything within reach, you should consider this one. What people say. The pegboards are very easy to install. The pegboards are sturdy and hold a lot of weight. The white color is a nice touch and makes the items on the board pop. Number 4. HUHOLE 16x16 metal pegboard panels, 4-pack. This pegboard is constructed from high-quality steel, ensuring it can handle heavy loads. With proper installation, each panel can bear up to 300 pounds, making it a long-lasting storage solution. The pegboards feature a high-gloss white powder coating, making them rust-proof and easy to clean. The white finish also helps to highlight the tools and items you place on it. Installation is straightforward, with folded sides for direct wall mounting. The package includes all necessary hardware, and all you need is a drill and screwdriver to get started. The holes are standard 1/4, compatible with universal pegboard hooks. You can customize your setup with the 4 modular pieces. It maximizes vertical space or makes tools more accessible. While designed for industrial use, this pegboard is versatile enough for any room. It's perfect for organizing craft rooms, retail spaces, kitchens, and more, adding both function and style. What we like. Made from high-quality steel, this pegboard is built to last. Its white powder coating not only looks great but also makes it rust-proof and easy to clean. If you are looking for a long-lasting, heavy-duty solution for your garage or workshop, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are really nicely made. Solid metal. I hung these up above my washing machine just to put some of my cleaning stuff and it's a big help. It's really loaded up and feels sturdy. I followed the directions and have it screwed into the studs with the supplied screws. Super easy. I'm using this for organizing hand tools in my outdoor shed. I picked this set due to its durability and for being able to stand up to cold and rain. It's very well constructed, heavy metal, and the fold-back design means you don't need to get spacers. It feels very sturdy on the wall. The paint finish is beautiful, bright white, smooth and uniformly applied. Installation is easy and the built-in spacer, a feature of the way the panel folds around the edges, is very convenient. The holes work perfectly with the 1/8 and 1/4 hangers I already had on hand, and a nice bonus is an included package of 31/4 hangers and hooks. Number 3. WallPeg 24x24 Plastic Pegboard Kit, 3, White. Introducing the WallPeg Pegboard Kit. This kit includes 3 panels, each 24x24, providing 12 square feet of coverage. It's perfect for organizing your space. This pegboard is easy to mount. It's fully ribbed and ready to install right out of the box, so you don't need to buy any extra framing materials. It's a simple setup. Made from durable, high-impact polypropylene plastic, this product is built to last. It even comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can be sure it will serve you well. This pegboard fits all standard-size peg hooks, bins, and accessories. The holes are a full 1/4 inch and are spaced 1 inch centered, making it versatile for all your needs. The design is attractive, with 12 flush mounting holes and finished sides. It's a functional and aesthetically pleasing solution for your storage needs. What we like. This pegboard is designed for easy mounting, so you can set it up quickly without any framing. Made from durable plastic, it's built to last and comes with a lifetime guarantee. If you like a simple, no-fuss solution for your storage needs, this is a great option. What people say. The pegboards are sturdy and easy to install. The white color looks great and brightens up the space. The included hardware is sufficient for mounting. Number 2. Wall Control White Metal Pegboard. This wall control metal pegboard is incredibly strong, over 10 times stronger than regular pegboards. Its steel construction and unique mounting design allow it to hold more weight than other brands, ensuring your tools are stored safely. Installation is a breeze with this wall control pegboard, and all the necessary hardware is included. The flush with the wall mounting design provides a secure and solid connection, unlike other brands that may not offer the same level of stability. This pegboard is designed for maximum versatility. It works with standard 1/4 inch pegs, and also accepts Wall Control's own patented slotted hooks and shelves. This allows you to customize your storage options. This high-quality, American-made steel pegboard is built to last a lifetime. The craftsmanship and quality are evident when compared to other brands. The company offers first-class quality, selection, and customer support. The design is both attractive and modular, so you can expand your storage as needed. The durable powder-coated finish is scratch-resistant, unlike other brands. This ensures it will look great for years to come. What we like. This pegboard boasts a strong steel construction, making it incredibly durable and capable of holding a lot of weight. The installation is secure and straightforward, ensuring your items are safely stored. If you are looking for a robust and stylish storage solution that will last a lifetime, this is the one for you. What people say. The pegboards are sturdy and easy to install. The white color looks clean and modern. The included hardware is sufficient for mounting. Number 1. Keepo 22x22 Pegboard Combination Kit. This pegboard kit is perfect for organizing your home in style. It's great for craft rooms, displaying ornaments, or setting up your gaming area. The pegboard is easy to install and rust-proof. It can hold up to 20 pounds. You can use stickers for smooth walls or nails for rough surfaces. With this wall board organizer, you can set it up in many different ways. The set includes pegboards and accessories, letting you create your own storage style. The modular design allows you to add or rearrange as needed. You can expand it by adding more panels or accessories to increase storage capacity. Customize the arrangement to suit your needs. Adjustable shelves, hooks, and containers accommodate various items, ensuring a personalized storage solution. What we like. This pegboard helps you organize your home in style, perfect for craft rooms, nurseries, or gaming setups. It's easy to install with included stickers or nails, and the modular design lets you customize your storage. If you like a versatile and stylish organizer that adapts to your needs, you should consider this one. What people say. This pegboard is super easy to install. It comes with nails if you want extra support, but you honestly don't even need them. I just used the adhesive and it's stuck perfectly to the wall. It keeps my desk area so organized and saves a lot of space. It included all the attachments listed and was easy to install. I did not use the guide provided, however I have secured it using thick double-sided tape and it holds just fine. The plastic is not flimsy and all the pieces fit well onto the pegboard. Comes with handy tools to mark nail holes if you chose to nail it in. It's amazing quality, doesn't bend at all, has no smell and doesn't peel or scratch and washes very easily. Perfect sizes and all aligned together. Once you've got one up, the others are super easy to line up. For 30 pounds it comes with so many attachments, even 2 shelves which are amazingly sturdy. The 2 pegs are so useful and open wide for a lot of items to be held. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.